the day. Done like Torsi boat trip in El Nido, snorkeling day.
Itinerary for today is Torsi. Torsi is a champion for the tour. Nido, your life jacket.
I just fell over. I was climbing down here. I've slipped on my ass. This island is called Helicopter Island because apparently it looks like a helicopter, but it's more like a chicken drumstick to me. I suppose that's the back end of the helicopter, that's the top. I can see the resemblance. Still to me looks more like chicken. Maybe that's because I like food more than anything. So we're heading there last. We're going to some lagoon first to kayak. So we'll see what that's like. I'm not too sure on the name. I completely forgot what he said. It begins with a K. That's all I know.
The sun's literally just come out. Oops. Wow. Completely see-through. This is the lagoon. Oh, he's selling ice cream. We're okay, thank you. We have no money. You know, we didn't bring our money on the kayak. The sun's just gone again, so, but the colour of this is just incredible. The sun's not even out at the moment and it's still this blue.
are at a place called Hidden Beach now. No stepping on coral. Well, there's no coral here because it's been destroyed by people. Everyone's stepping on the coral. We've been sliding along, but you can see they're just walking on the coral now. What's left of it? There's literally nothing left of it, as you just seen in the video. Just a few clownfish, that's it. Destroyed. I mean, it's a nice beach, surrounded by limestone rocks. Holy shit! This is our lunch, what we get served on a beach. For some reason there's an all-you-can-eat buffet and crisp packets on here too. It's like they drive here to sell stuff. Plastic container as well, I guess we have to give this back. Is that a banana? Banana, pork belly, peas and a... whatever that is. Onion bhaji, I don't know.
Okay, jump bang. Wow.
Beach is apparently a secret. Beach is called Secret Beach. Don't know that secret.
What?